Here we are at Wat Nong Pan Pong. It's a forest temple and a meditation center. And there is some really nice big old bamboo. I haven't seen bamboo this big in a while. It's very, very thick. Beautiful. Really nice. Bamboo is the world's largest grass. It grows really fast. Have I ever mentioned I have a house in Honduras on a Caribbean island? And I grew some bamboo. I transplanted it from the jungle with my machete and shovel, and I was impressed. It grows really fast. And this stuff's pretty old. I'm not sure how old, but it's protected land at the temple. Now we're at Wat Prananachat, and this is a pretty cool tree. I like it quite a bit. It's also a forest temple and a meditation center, and apparently sometimes foreigners do come here to become monks, and so there is more English than the other one. If you have time to breathe, you have time to practice. Cool. It's a great tree. The branch keeps going and keeps going. I'm gonna follow this branch. And there's another little inspirational sign. What's that one say? The one who eats little, sleeps little, and speaks little is a practitioner. One who eats a lot, sleeps a lot, and speaks a lot is a fool. Okay, oops, it's not good for a YouTuber. This branch keeps going. Okay, actually it is a meditation center, so I'll shut up. It really is quite a nice forest temple, this one. And the cicadas, those insects, are really loud, which I think is ironic because a meditation forest temple, it focuses on quietness, seriously. And the last one we were just at today was remarkable because there were no dogs, no temple dogs. And my problem with temple dogs is they can be so aggressive. Why? Because monks will not punish them whatsoever. So in fact, the dogs just rule often, sometimes. They'll just rule a temple. And they can be terribly aggressive just to a person. And of course, when a person like me and Rec brings a dog, like a little tiny Yorkshire Terrier, they freak out because they're like, what are you, they're street dogs, soy dogs, who live at the temple because the monks feed them and don't punish them whatsoever. Whereas when they live on the street, people will punish them if they do something stupid, if they're aggressive. Anyways, I'll stop talking about temple dogs because this is a remarkable forest temple for the forest. It's very, very lush, and look, nice path. It's beautiful. Love it. And I love the the cicadas. They're so loud. definitely a nice place to live. I can see why foreigners come here to be a monk. Which way you want to go?